Have a wonderful morning to one and all present here. I am Supra from Class 8C is here to conduct the special assembly on the topic. What does it mean to be a human? We can do everything whatever we want. So firstly, take the name of God and for this there is Aditi Singh for prayer. Over to you Aditi.
थैंक यू सुप्रिया। एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। हमसे न देखा जाए बर्बादियों का समा, उजड़ी हुई बस्ती में यह तड़प रहे इंसान। नन्हे जिस्मों के टुकड़े लिए खड़ी है एक माँ, बारूद के धुएं में तू ही बोल जाए कहाँ। एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। नादान हम तो मालिक क्यों दी हमें ये सजा, यहाँ है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा। इन्हें फिर से याद दिला दें सबक वही प्यार का, बन जाए गुलशन फिर से कांटो भरी ये दुनिया। एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता। थैंक यू। ओवर टू यू सुप्रिया।
Now here is word of the week by Mohit. Over to you Mohit.
Thank you, Supriya, to give me this opportunity. Today, I, Mohit Yadav, is here to tell you the word of the week. The word of the week is emulate. I repeat, emulate. The meaning of my word is to try to do something or better than somebody. I repeat, to try to do something or better than somebody. The sentence of the word is he was trying hard to emulate his friend by working more hours in a day. I repeat my sentence. He was trying hard to emulate his friend by working more hours in a day. Thank you. Over to you, Supriya.
Thanks Mohit for increasing our knowledge. Now, here is Yatharth for a speech. Over to you Yatharth.
Thank you, Supriya, for giving me this opportunity. Now, I thought that our class 8 is here to speak a speech on humanity in front of you. The most important religion is humanity. Humanity can simply be defined as the quality of being human. It is the peculiar nature of man by which he is being distinguished from other beings. Humanity means helping and caring for others. Amongst too many species, humans have the capacity to show love and care and to help others. Humanity means forgetting your own interest when someone needs your assistance. Mother Teresa is a perfect example who taught about humanity and worked for it. Not only human beings have the power to comprehend humanity. We don't need lot of money for humanitarian tasks. Giving a glass of water to a thirsty man or helping someone to cross the road is also humanitarian task. Humanitarian activities should not be done for the fame or for a reward in return. It should be done as a part of our nature and duty when we perform such activity. We get inner peace and blessing from person whom we help. Every religion teaches us humanity, love and care, and there is no religion above humanity. This is the reason we often hear people saying that humanity is their religion. We should offer people our assistance irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and region. Being human is our first identity, so must comprehend humanity in our day-to-day lives, and it is a reason behind our existence. Thank you everyone for listening to me patiently. Now over to you, Supriya.
Thanks, Yashas, for a heart touching rap. Now, here is Riyan, Shub, Bhavya, and Aryavrat for a nice act. Over to you all.
Start.
Thank you all for a beautiful act. Now, here is Vanshika Singh for a short story. Over to you, Vanshika Singh.
Hello everyone. Today I, Vanshika Singh, is here with a short story titled The Missing Humanity. Let's start. One day I was on my way to school when I found a sweet little girl fixing posters on the wall with the heading Missing. I went close to her, and to my surprise, in the image section of the poster, it was written Humanity. I asked the little girl what she meant by missing humanity. She gave me an answer that I still remember. She told me that some days ago she was taught a lesson about humanity in the school. She was told that humanity is about love, but she always found her father shouting at her mother. She was told that humanity is about gratitude, but she always saw his brother complaining about things. She was told that humanity is about truth, but she always found people lying. She was told that humanity is about generosity, but she always found his mother saying that we have nothing to give when a needy came at the door. She was told that humanity is about kindness, but she always saw the cruel behavior of humans towards the animals. She was told that humanity is about sharing, but she always saw people getting not unwilling to share even a single penny. So she concluded that humanity went somewhere and is missing, and she decided to get out and will find the humanity back. I was so convinced with her that I didn't go to school that day and help her finding humanity and fixing the posters of missing humanity. Friends, I think that if we work together, we can find the humanity back and bring it to our lives. Thank you.
Thanks, Vanshika Singh, for an inspirational story. Now, Aditya is here for giving a message through art. Over to you, Aditya. Thanks, Aditya, for giving us a message by art. Now, for dance, here is Yavnika. Over to you, Yavnika. taxi Apnika for our beautiful towns. Now, at last, we have national anthem by Jatin. Over to you, Jatin.
गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Thank you.